Assalamu alaikum. Ahmed here. Welcome to the 12th real lecture of class for English. Page number 6. If you open your page number 6, we have to solve this C3 here. It says that add articles to the following where necessary. Note that not all the blanks require an article, so we can even leave some blanks too. Once upon a, we have to place there a time there lived a king who was a fine man. Who was a fine man? Yes, the kingdom he ruled the kingdom he ruled was very large. We can actually leave this one blank, and the people all the people all the people who lived in it all the people who lived in it, we can leave this one blank too, were happy and prosperous. One day a a great flood of water, we can leave this one blank, came pouring down the mountains. uh, we can write mountains here, the mountains, and swept away the palace. uh, and most of uh, and most of the city, yes, most of the city, many of the people were drowned. Many of the people drowned, but king sent but the king sent but the king sent his army and carried everyone to some high ground. We can leave this one blank. In this way he saved many people from death. We can leave these three blank. Solve this one on your neat notebooks. Tomorrow I will be here with some other activity, solving a other activity. Until then, Allah Hafiz.